Now guys, whenever you're doing weed control in melon, you cannot move the vine, so you have to take your time. And like you see this weed right here, you cannot move the melon vine. You have to take your fingers and go down in there and pull it out. So whenever you're planting melon, do not trouble the vines, because it will stop the yield, stop the melon from bearing. So I have to be going through with my fingers and pulling up all these weed. I mean the wider section, you can use a machete to weed out the wider section, but things like these you have to go in with your fingers and pull those out. And if it's attached to the little curly thing at the melon, see the guys, that blossom is gone, so there's no bearing on that one. If it's attached to the little curly things like this, the weed is attached to that, you just pop it off. Just break off the weed that's not entangled in that. So yeah, that's how you manage weed control. You have to go in with your fingers, get all dirty up in there, and you have to pick out these, because you don't want all these bush in here when you melon them get big, because it's going to be a problem. It can cause a lot of problem, man. So you want to go in there and haul out the bush where you see. Yeah.